Okay, part 3. I went inside and found another memory card. I thought I'd take more. Now the trouble is, because it's so close overhead, the clouds are actually obscuring the lightning now. Oh, there go the sirens again. It's all around. I can't. If I stay still, I'm going to miss it all. But if I move, I'm not going to see it. Oh, it's a dilemma. See, as soon as I move the camera, it points in a different direction. Now, if I had any sort of magical powers at all, I'd have the lightning strike this building while I'm not injuring people, you understand, but just so I could sell the footage and make a fortune on stuff like that. Oh, see, I'm trying. I was hoping I was related to Thor, God of Thunder, but it turns out I'm not. Now the eerie thing is, as you may be able to tell, there's no thunder and there's no rain. I'm sure there's thunder and rain somewhere, but right here, not so much. Aha, now we have thunder. Hello, Auntie Nancy.
Oh, is this one for David and Janae?
Not really. Ooh. No.
It's gotten so dark though that I'm not sure anything's going to come out with the lightning.
No, it looks, well, on my little digital display it looks pretty cool.
Yeah, but last time you had something that looked cool on there, it didn't really come out on the computer.
We'll have to see.
Do you want me to go take the food out of the oven?
Yeah, I'm gonna come in.
You can stay outside.
No. I'm about done. I don't know how much longer the lightning's going to go on for, but I'm not going to stand out here all night taking shots of it because my arm's getting tired and I'm hungry. And I haven't been struck by lightning yet, so that's a good thing. Bye for now.